number hi min ron pe thwa ta ni 81 7 23 3 4 3 89 9 14 2 1 60 20 ni ta step 1 in lang. If a number is preceded by a perfect square, then the number will be placed to the leftmost end. Start picking up such numbers from the right end. If the number is preceded by a perfect square, then the number will be placed to the leftmost end. Kadyang number ha kan zung chua ka nga number ma chi a square root square perfect square ha chuan kha ha kan zung chua ka nga a veilam pang bera kan da ze lang kan hmu chua nga piang kha ma se bracket chunga start picking up such numbers from the right end. Right end to changin kan zung nga right end to changin kan zung nga chuan veilam pang kan sia ka nga kan hmu to chia kha apul chia kan sia riang ale zong sia kha ngai ro chu start picking from the right end to divine right end to changin perfect square kan zong nga perfect square dinglam pang chia number ka kan lang perfect square ngei mo 6 6 are 36 5 in patro 1 4 4s are 16 34 kan huli a 3 3s are 9 14 kan la theya 9 9s are 81 7 kan la the hi kan ja ma saberang left end atanga thlang pura ti wang chuan hi kan ja 5 34 14 7 in draw chuanin ma se apatwi tu don he zena hi to don ma 5 34 14 7 abak zong su copy tha kan ni 81 23 343 89 9 216 2 3 8 13 16 77 87 92 36 12 27 45 26 18 30 512 chuan copy kha in page shan chuan tiang a full in ja je ro chen chu next step a thang min zot le don mo kha wang khanin in ja thla lo chuan in hu swalang step number 2 if a number is followed by a perfect cube, then the number will be placed to the rightmost end. If a number is followed by a perfect cube. Start picking up such numbers from the left in hmiang number to a perfect cube left end changin kan zunga 343 hi eng cube nge 343 hi 7 cube ania tro 7 cube ania chuan 23 hi kan thangang chuan 216 hi 6 cube ania 9 kan thang theya 8 hi 2 cube ania 3 kan la theya 27 hi 3 cube ania 12 kan thang theya 512 8 cube 30 kan left end the chungin kan thanga draw hi kan jak na sabiranga 23 ato lama kan za don ni chu 23 9 3 12 30 23 9 3 12 30 here place to the rightmost end tatia rightmost end ta kan da anga so na bag zone hi kan copy don 5 34 14 7 81 343 89 216 đâu ra quyền 13 16 77 87 92 36 27 45 26 18 512 the series here kan mutswak ta kasi natin pa lang question number 7 he kan instead kan mutswak de kan niya aron lang tahi step 1 step 2 which of the following is 13th number from the left end in step 2 step 2 13 number chuinge first second third fourth 5th 6th 7th 8 9 10 11 12 13 adiklo 8 7 left end long row first second third fourth 5th 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 77 option D. None of these need the chance of death. How am I saying none of these moves the immune hit inflammation. So on, what is the sum of the numbers which are 6 from the right end in step 1 and 8 from the left end in step 2? 6 from the right end in step 1. And get 6 from the right end in step 1. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 27. Draw 27 there. He can build on 8 from the left end. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 206, 206, 13, 1, 243. Option A. Number 9. How many such odd numbers are there in step 2 which are preceded by a perfect square? Step 2 are odd numbers, perfect square, which are preceded. Nè, handzong về tới lên. Perfect square. 9 9s are 81 draw. So on, he odd number. So lang tani 3 4 3 odd number niya. And sila nga 4 4s are 16 niya. So on, 77 kan tangang. 6 6 are 36. 27 kan tangang. 3 3s are 9. 3 kan tangang. Kat ni thumli palian oma. None of these. And sound it's into perfect square how to kan resolve it to draw. At siyang to bang option E, none of these. Number 10, how many such pairs of perfect square and perfect cube is available which are placed together in step 2? Square le cube dun shim shim. square masa cube masa in ma so lo square le cube du shim kha 9 square le 7 cube an omatro 6 cube le hi chu lo 6 cube to kan mu thela chuan hi 6 square le 3 cube 5.28 8 cube ania hi chu m square man ni lo ve a pahnih an awm option A. Question number 11. Which of the following number is 12 from the right end? 12 to the right of 18 from the right end in step 2. Kaya ang mo question. At hong ang aron so ituan siya be mimaya 12 to the right of 18 from the right. 12 to the left of 18 from the left ang si right left ang aron so ani chuan a number at hi minus top 2 in minus nga 18 minus 12 to 6 ania draw 6 from the right in zong top thei khatyang tongkam aron mang ani chuan first second third fourth fifth sixth 5 1 2 and sin taula 12 to the right of 18 from the right end 18 from the right end to 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 ania draw heda changa 12 kan let le tho ta first second third fourth fifth sixth 7 8 9 10 11 12 5 1 2 abok kan let le ta ni khatyang han veilam pang left ang zero so more right aron so ni so a number kha in minus to pang masengin minus da pun chu chwa hai chong ta in y ka ton ai chuan asoyang ang hian chu ta so kula apui chuang lo option C 512